Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillette and I am standing in front of this brand new 2025 Ford F-350 King Ranch. For 2025, Ford has changed some of the packaging on the King Ranch, so I want to make a quick video so you knew what you were getting and what you weren't getting when you ordered one of these trucks, or how you can option them out now. Starting with this brand new color on the King Ranch, this is now ruby red metallic, replacing last year's race red. Also, as we come to the vehicle, I'm just going to open up the driver's door and just point out one of the interior features that's changed. So you used to have upfitter switches there as a standard item. That's no longer standard. It's an optional item for you to put on the vehicle. That's all right, just as long as you know it is optional. The other big optional one is, if you see this inverter here, this is a 400 watt inverter. It was standard on last year's model as a 2000 watt inverter, which is a big difference. You can still option that out, but it does not come standard anymore. Also in this screen, you used to get the trailer scales and your payload scales in the screen, so it would actually show you how much weight was in your box or weight was on your hitch. That is also an optional feature yet now and no longer standard. When we come to the back of the vehicle, it still has the power tailgate. Everything comes down just fine. But again, look in the back there and you'll see no inverted power supply. So just something to notice if you're looking at one of these vehicles. And then last but not least, there is no longer a door keypad. That is a big feature that Ford has just taken away on most of their product this year. You can still get a keypad, whether you option it from factory or get it as a dealer installed accessory, but it just sticks on to wherever you want to stick it on and is done through a frequency channel with a battery operation. Instead of being hardwired with constant power in here, now they've gone to a different setup. So just so you know, those are the main changes: the upfitter switches, the onboard scales, the door code, as well as the inverted power supply, all changes on the King Ranch. All right, now you guys know what I know. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Do me a huge favor, click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks everyone.